Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize money market fund investments on Schwab, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Charles Schwab website. Log into your Schwab account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Trade tab on the top menu. Select Mutual Funds from the drop-down options. In the search bar, type in the name or ticker symbol of the money market fund you wish to invest in. Review the list of available funds and select the one that meets your investment goals. Click on the fund to view more details, including its performance and fees. Once you are satisfied with your choice, click on the Buy button. Enter the amount you wish to invest in the designated field. Review the order type and ensure it is set to market or limit, depending on your preference. If prompted, confirm your account information and select the account you wish to use for this transaction. Double-check all details, including the fund name, investment amount, and account selection. When everything looks correct, click on the Submit Order button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation notice once your order has been successfully placed. Monitor your investment in your Schwab account under the Portfolio section. If you need any assistance, consider reaching out to Schwab's customer service for guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.